To apply the RetraStrap, if you are right-handed, you will apply the strap to the far left corner of the handle. If you are left-handed, it will go to the opposite side. The logo will face toward the right in this instance. You will put the strap around the handle, looping it through the buckle, and then securing the Velcro in place. This is the retractable portion of the RetraStrap. You can open up the Velcro case and you will see a D-ring facing upward. If you release this, there is a small buckle that you can release, and this will allow you to adjust the length of the RetraStrap. To put the RetraStrap on, extend it, place it across over your head and across to the opposite shoulder. Once the suitcase is tipped, the handle should be at your hand height to easily be able to grab it.